Hello YouTube and welcome to my Worldedit series. This video, I don't really remember the number of the episode, but in this video we're gonna learn 6 important commands, pretty useful if you ask me. The first one, okay, do you remember when I told you that there is the command undo, redo, and that kind of commands? So let's set it to 1 and set it to bool, and then spend 1 up and then undo. Okay, and then redo, and then okay, no, we still don't know the replace command. So okay, and then contract 1 down, and then replace again. Okay, sorry. And then set wood. Okay, just I don't remember how many commands there it was, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 commands. So when I type / undo, it will take the last command and undo it, like from a history log or something. So this history logs is pretty heavy when I work on a big shapes. So there is a command to clear the history, which is clear history. And then I can't undo, or redo, because there is no history log that I can take the commands from there. So this is for the clear log. Now a pretty useful command and for safety is / limit. So / limit, and let's make it to 10 just for the example. So what this command do is limit the amount of block, the maximum blocks that can be changed per command. So if I set it to diamond, it will set only 10 blocks because the limit is 10. And as you can see, max blocks change is an operation reach 10, which is the limit. So if I'll do it again, it will set these 10 blocks back to diamond because it works like a snake or something like that. And that's pretty much it. But if I'll set it to, for example, wood, it will, the 10 first blocks that it's trying to change. So let's set it to wool and clear history. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this area. Let's go to the next one. Okay, this area we're gonna, don't be that surprised. / set, this is a pretty advanced command. This is not the first command you learned, so don't be surprised or be surprised. So now I can use the, okay, wait a second. Okay, now the command set, as you remember, set the area to a specified block. But if I mention 2 blocks divided by psik and gold, so, oh, wait a second, limit, yeah, it's not very safe what I did right now, but I'm using Worldedit for a long time, and I'm pretty advanced at it, so for me it's fine. For you, you should start with 100 blocks, depends on your RAM on the computer, or if you're on server, depends on the RAM on your server. So if I again set diamond comma gold, it will randomly set the area to half diamond, half gold. This is an absolutely random thing. So first of all, it goes to this block and then set random number between 1 and 2, which only 1 or 2, and then if 1, for example, gold, if 2, diamond, again for this, like that. And actually I have no limit for diamond, gold, wood, wool, okay, wood, leaves, air, I don't know, stone, okay, and then it will randomly set the area to these blocks. Yeah, that's also pretty useful command. You can use it for like the wall that was there last episode. It was like right here. I removed it just before I started recording. So yeah, that's fine. Okay, the next command is expand vert. Oops, this is a pretty much like expand, but it will expand from the bedrock to the bedrock and to the top of the wall. So expand vert, and as you can see, it's for the top 256, and for the bedrock, which is obviously 0. So let's use this long wand tool. Okay, so that was for expand vert. Now replace. Replace, as you can guess, it will replace specific blocks with specific blocks. For example, I want to replace stone with lava. So there is no blocks to replace, so it will not do anything. But if I will expand this area to here, and then I will wood, so it will replace all the stone blocks with wood. I can use this like before, divide with comma, stone, wood, to replace it with gold, and because there is no stone, it replaced only the wood. I can also gold and diamond, but it will not do anything because there is nothing to replace. So I'm gonna undo, and then it will set like /set. So that was for this. Okay, now a bit less advanced or more advanced command is chunk. This is pretty simple command that you can use to select the chunk that you're standing in. So this is the chunk I'm standing in. This is also useful for just checking where the chunk ended, for mods or something that needs a specified chunk and work only per chunk. So yeah, the chunk is I think 16 by 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. No, I missed. I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna use a command that you still don't know. So, wait, count. Yeah, 16 blocks. So the chunk is 16 blocks, and when I select the chunk, it will tell me what is the coordinate of the chunk. For example, this chunk, the coordinate is 8 and 9. If I'll go here, it will be 7 and 9. No, 8 and 8, sorry. And if I will go here, it will be 7 and 9. Yeah. So values at 0, 0, I think. Let me check. Okay, sorry guys. Yeah, -0 is a great number. Okay, slash chunk. Yeah, this is okay. Yeah, so the coordinates start with at 0, x 0, y whatever, and z 0 also. So this depends, the chunk coordinate is relative to the it's kind of the position, the location of your character divided by 16, because you know 16 blocks per chunk. And okay, so I'm getting confused. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope it wasn't too long, and see you at the later videos.